Today we're going to take a look at one of our new arrivals. A beautiful 1922 Ford Ranger XLT. Short. Beautifully restored and built. Riding on ion alloy wheels, 16 inches. Big radial tires. Beautiful paint job. Nice chrome on the truck. Let's see, the colors are Brook Blue and Wind Blue, two-tone. Rhino liner in the rear. Cargo window. This is a great running truck too. Nice and clean underneath. Got a great rumble to it. Powered by a 428 cubic inch, 4-barrel engine, dual exhaust. Automatic transmission, heavy duty rear. Take a look inside. Only thing I've seen that needs, we're going to need to do is either replace these little plastic inserts from people's fingernails scratching the paint off, or re-dye them. Everything else looks really nice and tidy and crisp in the truck and new. Real nice stock dash. Three-speed automatic transmission. Nice sound and stereo system in the truck. Nothing real fancy, but it works, it plays. Factory air conditioning blows ice cold. Power steering. Power disc brakes. Let's go take a look under the hood. There you go, right there. 428, we're advertising 350 horsepower. I just drove this truck, it feels like 370. Absolutely will nail you to the back of the seat in a very factory way. There's your factory air conditioning. Power disc brake setup right there. And of course power steering with the power steering cooler. Right there. Just detailed, ready to go to the show. Notice it's missing a little bulb right here for the hood light. Just tiny little things. This is not a $100,000 show truck, but for $16,990 including freight and delivery, this thing is a steal. It had to cost at least $30,000 or $35,000 to build this truck to the level it's at. And it runs fantastic. Let's start her up. Key's a little tricky, you got to jiggle a little bit. There we go. Starts right up first time every time. Great visibility in these trucks too. Seat is super comfortable. This is a fun, pleasurable truck to drive, and it will flat haul the mail. If you have an interest in a special nice 72 Ford pickup truck, give me a call. My name is Jeff Whitaker. You can reach me at 410-562-9319.